Hi everyone. Today we can discuss about Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a product of combination ERP and CRM. So, as all of you know, it is a very popular name of ERP. So, ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So it is a centralized repository where can all departments will store the data and share everyone each other, and it will impact to the business of increase organization productivity, and the communication between the any department is very easy from this ERP planning resource planning. So about this CRM, customer relationship management, any organization will have it is a manufacturing or it is a service based, any company or organizations should have relationship with their customers. So this customer relationship management is very useful for to improve their customer relationship from to the organization. So this Microsoft Dynamics is where agility and innovation brings together. This 365 brings customer and product and people's data from the back office to frontline, bridge sales to services, supply chain and warehouse. We connect these business application together and reach the more customers and more places, and will create a great impact to the faster and move from the business forward. So it is a very powerful application for any medium and large scale organizations. So in this application, Microsoft will include the budgeting and project management, financial and accounting for large scale international companies also. It included the supply chain management in supply chain in engineering and manufacturing, warehouse and distributions. So what is the useful for this Microsoft Dynamics? What is the benefits and all those things? So this application will create a great impact faster. It will deliver more value in the less time, quickly adapt the solutions for any problem. So it unifies the data. And couple it with the Microsoft AI to deliver insights and actions that create a better customer experience. So this Microsoft Dynamics will adapt anything, have to have anything when how to you need across the new business priorities, market current market conditions and customer opportunities. So it will innovate anywhere and solve the problems with powerful solutions you only get the Microsoft Cloud. So all built to easily work together from any very short in this Microsoft Dynamics 365. And where it is Microsoft 365 comes from, we will look into the history. So initially Microsoft was first generally released on 2016. Initially branded as a Dynamics 365 for operations in July 2017, and it was rebranded on Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. At the same time, Microsoft rebranded their business software suite for business editions and financial operations.